Well, this is a first for me. I pull out the cabin filter and it's dog food. There's dog food in there. So now I'm gonna have to take out the blower motor because I can see it in there. I know dang well it's full of crap. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be fun. There we go. This one's not as bad though. There we go. Blower motor will be right there, and there's only 3 T15 screws. Oh my gosh. You see how that dog food come out? That's not what you want right there. Got the old Mr. Sucks-a-Lot here. Gosh almighty. Got the old handy dandy snap-on pliers here. Pick out these pieces in here without damaging the brushes in the motor. Now I just gotta get the motor, plug it back in, mount it back up in there, get that plastic piece back on, put a new filter in there, and see how she sounds. Gotta verify the repair before I button it all up. Alright, got her all put back together. No noise. Sounds perfect.